It's Tech Lid, and we're bullish. The stampede is coming, baby. In case many of you are wondering, why does this YouTube channel have boxing gloves? Well, the boxing gloves are on. Every day is a fight. Every day is a fight for our financial freedom, baby. No need for a super long video here. We're gonna get straight to the point and straight to the money. In today's video, we'll be talking about Sundial growers, ticker symbol SNDL. This article, is Sundial growers stock a buy? The article says this, as you can see. Would you want to invest in a stock that lost around 72% of its value since its market debut? Probably not. But hear me out. What if I told you that the same stock grew by more than 475% over the last 3 months? Let's repeat that. Over 475% over the last 3 months. Now just think about that for a little bit. The stock is rising, rising, rising. Of course we had to have that cool off period. It's not gonna just go parabolic without ever stopping. Everything over time is eventually gonna come back down. The question is, will the people who want to get it at a lower price get in? Or will they say, you know what, I'm not so sure about this stock. I'm not so sure if I want to come back in. Well, just remember this for those that do want to get back in. It was around $4, and now you have an opportunity to get it much lower, around the $2 mark. Red days today, green days tomorrow. Just think about that just for a little bit. Let's talk about something positive for Sundial. Investors will be pleased to hear that management is working hard to improve the company's competitive position. First, its supply chain became significantly more effective in 2020. In March, around 21% of its shipments arrived at their destination on time and with customers' orders in full. By September, 96.1% of its orders were delivered on time and in full. That's a tremendous improvement in a few months, and hopefully the new renovated supply chain will stay stable moving forward. In other words, think about that. That is a huge, huge improvement, people. Keep in mind that during March 2020, there was a pandemic going on. Sundial was not the only business affected by this. Everyone was affected by this. So that 21% of shipments not being on time, you had to think the pandemic had a lot to do with that. Fast forward, things are getting better. Solutions were working around them. 96.1% of orders were delivered on time and in full. That's an improvement for Sundial. It's definitely something to be positive about and optimistic if you're someone looking to invest into SNDL. And a quick disclaimer before we wrap up. I am not responsible for any losses that you may incur. Always do your due diligence and research when investing into any kind of market. You also may be wondering, why is this guy's face not on the video? Remember this, it's about wealth, not fame. Let's repeat that. It's about wealth, not fame. Until the next time, peace and love to the Tech Lid Legion.